Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, we will see how to write a Python program to create tuple of elements like from 1000 to 9999, having those values in which sum of first two digits is the sum of next two digits. Means, for example, here if we take 1000 value, 1 plus 0, sum of first two digits should be last value. So 1001 like that. For example, 1100 if we take first two digits, sum of first two digits, 1 plus 1 means 2. Then 1 plus 1 means 2, right? 1102. We need to print like these values 1001, 11002. Sum of first two digits should be there here, last two digits. In this way, we have to create a tuple of elements containing from 1000 to 999. I hope everyone clear with this criteria. So let's get started. Little bit confusing, so please try to understand the concept. So let's get started. We have to be careful while giving the indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on File, click on Save As. Now you can give any file name. Like here I am giving sum.py. We have to save the Python file with the extension py. So sum.py, enter. Yeah, file is saved. And also we got Python file. Now we need to execute this Python program by using command prompt. So click here and type cmd. This is the command prompt. Now we need to give the path. So cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, enter, sum.py. This is the file which we have saved just now, enter. Now we got syntax error. We have to see the error, invalid syntax. So we will check this line of code. When we got the error, we need to see what is the error, and at the line 6 we are getting the error. We have to check that line. If int of x of 0, and here we missed the square braces. Yeah, now save. Now again go to command prompt and give the file name, enter. See, we got the output. Sometimes we will get error like this. No need to panic. We have to check within which line we got the error. So in this line we got the error it is showing. And what is the error? Syntax error, invalid syntax. So we have to go to this and we have to check that line where we have did mistake. Then after that, after correcting the mistake, we need to save the file. Now we got the output. So copy the output and paste the output here. Yeah, done. Now this is the output, right? 1000 means 1001. Here 1 plus 0. So last value, the sum of first values should be the next value, right? Here 1 plus 1 means 2, 0, 2. 1 plus 2, 3, 0, 3. 1 plus 3, 0, 4. Sum of first two digits should be the next two digits. In this way, we have printed all the numbers like 1 plus 6, 0, 7. In this way, sum of first two digits is the next two digits. Now here 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 means 16. Sum of first two digits is the next two digits. 9 plus 8, 17. 9, 9 plus 9 plus 9, 18. So I'm added. Yeah, first we will see the code line by line. This T equal to, this is the list we are creating. First we are creating the list T. After that for X in range of 1000 comma 10,000. Now we will entering the loop. Here 10,000, why we have given 10,000 means it will exclude the last value. So till 9,999 only we will get the value. So we have to take 10,000 because last value will be excluded. Then later on it will enter the loop. Now x equal to str of x means str of x means it will, for suppose first value will be 1000, right? It will, here 1000 means integer. It will convert integer to string. Means 1000, 4, total 4 digits it will separate that 1000 value. And that value is stored in x. And after, first it will take the value 1000 and it will enter the loop. Now it will convert integer to string by using str of x. After converting 1000 to string, it will be like 1000, 4 digits. For every digit, it has index value from starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. First, it will take x of 0 means at the index value 0, it will take the value. And at the index of 1, it will take the value. And it will add index of 0 plus index of 1. The value which is present at the 0 and value which is present at the 1 index, it will add and it will check whether it is equal to int of x of 2 plus int of x of 3. This is the equal to operator. So index value at 0 and index value at 1, first we have to add, and index value at 2 plus index value at 3 we need to add. Later on we have to check whether these both values are equal to or not. If they are equal, we need to append that x value to the t. Here t means list, and again it will go. Now again it will take after 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 till 9999. It will repeat the loop. If the values are equal, then it will append the value to the list t. After completing the values, it will exit the loop. Then later on, it will again convert list to tuple by using tuple of t. After converting, it will assign the value to the t. And last, it will print the value t. Now t is the tuple of elements. This is the output. Now you can check here. 1000 means 1010, first two digits. Sum is the last two digits. 1 plus 1 means 2, 0, 2. For example, here 9 plus 1 means 10. Sum of first two digits is the next two digits. 9 plus 2, 11. Like this, we need to get the output. 9 plus 9, 18. Sum of two digits. Sum of first two digits should be the last two digits. In this way, we need to get the output. I hope everyone clear with this code and output. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that You will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.